Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. So I hope you are doing well. So today's topic is what your higher self wants you to know about your life for now and how things will change uh, in 6 months for you. Okay, so you have three options to choose from. Option 1 is going to be within the next few weeks. Option 2 is going to be trust. And option 3 is going to be there is something better. Okay, so select your option you feel most drawn to and let's start with your reading. Hi pile 1, so you chose within the next few weeks. This is going to be your reading. I hear like there is going to be change of a scenery, so you might travel, or there is a chance if you want to move to a different place. Okay, so you are going to move, okay, within the next few weeks, or it's going to happen within the next 6 months. Okay, and you are going to notice that there is a lot of creativity that you have. Okay, and you will explore something new about yourself and about your environment, or about something that is going to make you very excited about your life. Okay, and it's not going to be boring anymore, or it's not going to be same exact routine that you probably don't like, okay, to be into. And there is going to be something different, okay, that is going to happen in your life. So your higher self wants you to know that be prepared for that and be excited about what going to happen next for you. Okay, so let's see what your higher self wants you to know about your current situation. Like, if there is something your higher self wants you to know. All these cards? Okay, so I'm going to take it anyways. Okay, so you have the hangman. Okay, so there is definitely some sort of, you might feel there is some sort of stuck energy around you, or things are not moving ahead. Okay, and you are not liking it. Okay, so yes, you have the ace of cups, six of wands, and temperance, empress here, not the temperance. Maybe you are feeling the temperance energy. Okay, and this card wants to come out as well. So you have the ace of wands in the back of the deck. Okay, number 6 is significant for someone. So as for signs, I'm getting Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Aries, and yeah, Sagittarius, Aries, and Leo, right? Yeah. So your higher self wants you to know that the situation that you are in, it's for your spiritual growth. Okay, if you are feeling stuck, if you are feeling the things are not moving ahead, it can be related to something about your career or about any situation in your life. If you are just trying so hard to uh, get that new fresh energy. Okay, with the ace of wands energy, I'm just picking up of ace of wands and ace of cups. So it can be related to getting into a connection, or trying to move to a different level in your existing relationship with someone that is very close to you. It can be a romantic relationship. So your higher self wants you to know that you are going through something, going through an awakening. Okay, even, or you are developing spiritually. So there are a lot of changes that are already happening within you. So you have to be patient with yourself. So this toughness that you are feeling right now, the stillness around you, it because of some reason, because you are gaining your strength back. Okay, for this new change that is about to happen, that is you are not expecting anyways. Okay, with the ace of cups and six of wands here, and the empress and the nine of wands here, with the ace of page of cups here. So definitely your higher self wants you to know that you are definitely going to find something creative about yourself. And if someone is really into if someone feels like they are ready to get into a relationship, I'm seeing that you are definitely going to start something new. Okay, it can be a romantic connection, or it can be a new partnership, or it can be like you are starting something very creative. Okay, and that is going to bring you a lot of success. Okay, with the empress energy and nine of wands. Okay, so nine of wands and strength also says here for you by your higher self, that you have the strength, okay, to carry on your existing projects. Okay, even if you feel like the what you started it's too difficult for you, or it is something that is not getting into the sense of the completion, you can still do it. You are so close, okay, to close certain chapter or close or complete certain task or project that you have, okay. So you have to keep going, okay, because the new start that you are waiting for, the new sense of new sense of purpose that you are waiting for is going to come, okay. And for some, I feel like it can be related to that you are going to find something that that is actually going to bring a purpose to your life, okay, or you are going to figure out your life purpose, okay. So the main message from your higher self is that you have to be kind to yourself, okay. You don't have to be hard on yourself, because just because certain things are not working out, or certain stop blaming yourself if you are blaming, or if you are doing some certain negative self-talk, that you have to stop doing that, okay. So how things will change for pile one within next few within next 6 months, okay. So what your high self wants you to know about this, okay. So Queen of Cups in reverse and the Devil, okay. Five of Sword, okay. So why the Queen of Cups in reverse here? Oh, you have the Magician, you have the Fool, you have the King of Sword, you have the Devil is here. Okay, these two cards wants to come out. Your higher self wants you to know, okay, I don't know why I just said, like, girl, just relax, okay. You don't have to entertain someone or something from your past, okay, that is kind of toxic, okay. That's what your higher self wants you to know, okay, because there is something, okay, you are manifesting a big new change for you, a new beginning for you, okay, with the King of Wands energy, King of Sword energy, by the Queen of Cups in reverse. You can't be too overly emotional, okay, or if you are being very closed off, your higher self wants you to know that you have to open up a little bit, and you have to embody this King of Sword energy, and also the Queen of Cups energy, okay, which is like you are also going to be very logical, but also you are going to be into your nurturing energy, okay. You can't be just closed off emotionally completely because you have been hurt in the past, okay. That's kind of message your higher self wants you to know right now. And for the 6 months, and with the why I'm getting this here, because your higher self wants you to know that you are going to manifest something very big. It's going to feel like a new beginning, and you are going to take that leap of faith with the Queen of King of Sword energy. Even that this is looks like that you are going to jump into something very new, but there is going to be a lot of planning and preparation on your part, okay. So you might be preparing yourself in for years, or for some time, or you are going to do certain research about the things that you are going to start, okay. From now you are going to be very rational about it. It's not going to be only based on your emotional, okay, emotions, okay. That's what I'm seeing here with the Nine of Pentacles, okay. It can be related to your career, or you are going to receive a lot of progress in your career, and financial situation is also going to improve, and you are going to feel very financially independent. There is going to be sense of I'm just feeling the sense of a freedom here. So something about your freedom is very important to you, okay. You are going to experience that freedom, like freedom means to you for now, okay. And with the Hermit here and the Four of Swords, so I'm picking up on that you might attract someone from your past, okay, that you have ended some connection with. And this person can be, or maybe a Virgo, or you are a Virgo, a Capricorn energy I'm picking up on, or this person is very about materialistic, or this person is into the money, okay. Money matters a lot to this person. So maybe this connection ended in the past because of the this person was overly focused on their career, or they are acting like you didn't matter because they were so into their own life, okay. They are also focused on their own life, and they didn't pay attention to you, and that's why the things ended, okay. And this person thought like you are not going to end this connection with them. And now that you are doing well in your life, okay, well, like within the next few months, next few months, and within the next 6 months, this person may try to come back in. Okay, they may try to come back in to take some advantage from you. Okay, so there is some sort of a gain that this person had in the past because of you, or because of being connection with you. So you have to be careful about this person. Okay, and your higher self wants you to know that you don't just trust someone blindly, or don't give a chance to people or person or situation that has not best interest for you. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know. And there is a definitely this is not something very prominent I'm seeing. Even you have this five of sword energy and king of wands and the seven of wands energy, the sun card is in the middle of your spread. So it is definitely seeing, I'm seeing that your 6 months from now is going to be very prosperous, very abundant. Okay, you are going to be very happy. Okay, I'm just feeling like you are going to feel the sense of safety, and also you are going to feel the happiness within you. Okay, you are going to feel that you are genuinely feel free to smile again. Okay, that's kind of energy I'm picking up on. And there are some people, okay, with the five of sword energy, I'm just picking up on that. With the king of wands and the seven of wands energy, there can be people, or it's your own mind, okay, may try to play some games. Okay, and they may try to tell you, okay, that it's not okay. Why am I saying so? Okay, they're saying that you shouldn't be happy, or you shouldn't feel this happy. Some people have this kind of fear that if they are feeling happy for some time, they have the fear that something may go wrong. Okay, this is kind of thing I'm picking up on. Or there are some people who may try to not let you see in this state. Okay, so don't ignore that. It's not going to affect you anyways. You have to keep up with this energy of the sun. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And if you are going through something physical right now, you are likely to regain your strength, regain your vitality. Okay, you are going to feel fresh, and I feel like you are going to take some necessary steps and actions to make your face and life glow again. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, your higher self is going to give you that direction. And also we have the magician card, so definitely your higher self is trying to communicate with you. Okay, and we already had high priestess energy, and also we have the queen of cups energy. Even if it's in reverse, you are a very intuitive person, and your higher self is constantly trying to give you the directions that you need. Okay, the answers that you seek. Okay, so your higher self is going to guide you through this process, so you don't have to worry about anything. With the queen or king of wands energy and the seven of wands, I'm just picking up on you are going to unleash something, some creative talent that you have. Okay, that you possess, and you are going to try to make it into reality. Okay, it's not going to limit it up to your like a hobby or something that you are doing for yourself. Okay, you are going to share this gift that you have with the king of wands and the seven of wands, and you are definitely going to be so good at this that people may try to compare you with someone else, or they may try to criticize you. Okay, but don't, it's not, I'm not saying that they are going to criticize you, but I feel like there is going to be a lot of competition. Okay, where are you are going to be, and you are definitely going to see yourself on the top of that, because you are really good into this. Okay, that whatever that you are, whatever gift that you have. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So clarify the first word. The six of wands, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up on here. Okay, so there is a lot of, like, you are going to receive a lot of success. Okay, and it's not going to be only because of some luck or someone else's help. Okay, it's because you have worked hard for this. Okay, and your higher self wants you to know that whatever skills and talents that you have, you are a very gifted individual, pile one. So you have to practice on your skills. You have to give your attention to what matters to you the most. Okay, and that's how you are going to receive that, the sense of a beginning. Okay, that you are craving right now. Okay, you are going to get the direction. You will stop feeling this kind of a solitude energy. Okay, that's what I'm getting. A six of wands, yeah, there might be some people who are not going to happy with your success here. Okay, but you are, it doesn't matter, because it's going to happen anyways. Okay, clarify the king of wands. Seven of Swords. That's what I. That's what I just said. And clarify the Seven of Wands. Clarify Seven of Wands. Okay. King of Pentacles and King of Pentacles and Eight of Swords and Sun card. For the Sun card here. So Queen of Swords at the back of the deck. Don't try to take any shortcuts, okay, in your next new project or beginning, because it's not something that you should do, because you have already worked so hard for whatever that you are working on. Okay, pile one. And also there are going to be some people who are not going to be happy with what you are doing. So if you are not confident about people or some groups that they don't have the best interest for you, don't try to tell them your next move or what you are going to do next. Okay, and that's what I'm getting here. And with the Nine of Sword energy, that's you are going to recover from something, maybe some mental conflict that you are going through. Okay, and you are going to see that the improvement is going to be overall in all areas of your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting. With the Seven of Wands here, Eight of Sword and the King of Pentacles, so there is someone, okay, so the more you are going to grow here, the King of Wands here and the King of Pentacles. Okay, I'm seeing here, pile one, your higher self wants you to know that there is going to be someone who is going to, like, you are going to attract a genuine friendship or even a connection. Okay, or there is someone going to be act like your friend, but they are not your friend, or they may try to pull you down with the Eight of Sword energy, and you have already have this kind of series of pattern with this person or people. Okay, and if you know who I'm talking about right now, then you should just distance yourself from these people. Okay, with the Seven of Wands energy, you have to protect what's yours. Okay, and yeah, there is definitely, it's going to be, you are going to be very financial stable. Okay, and yeah, that's what I'm. And with the King of Pentacles, and I don't know why, but one more message I'm getting here. So there may be someone who, okay, it can be from your family, or this person is very materialistic. I don't know why I'm keep getting this. I don't know this person, like, I'm getting mixed vibe from this person, so it differs for uh it can be good or it can be bad. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting this. Okay, so if you are so there is going to be someone who is not going to like what you are doing, because it looks like it is going to be in a same field or same place that you are in. Okay, so they may try to do something, or they may try to tell something that may try to uh, lower your confidence. Okay, so don't pay attention to that. Okay, this is kind of vibe I'm getting. Okay, if and the whatever creative project or whatever new beginning that is about to happen in your life, that is going to be bring a lot of abundance in your life. Okay, financial abundance that I'm getting here, and also your health is going to be very good. Okay, and abundance from all areas of your life will try to come into your life. You have to be just open to receive that. Okay, so whoever these people, or whoever this negative, whatever the negative thoughts that you have, okay, pile one, it's just because you are so good at what you do. Okay, so don't try to pay attention to this negativity, because it doesn't matter. Okay, they are scared because of your potential, because of your own greatness. Okay, so don't try to dim your light just because these people are, just because of some insecure people. Okay, that's what I have for you, pile one. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 piece. Hi, Palju. So you chose trust. This is going to be your reading. So with the trust card, I feel like you are already connected with your higher self, Palju, and there is a lot of spiritual growth I'm seeing here, and growth as a person. Okay, that you are already going through. So there is a lot of changes that is going to take place for you, and your higher self wants you to know that thank you for trusting your higher self, okay? Because the amount of growth that has been happened already with you, Paltu, it is incredible, okay? Your higher self is very proud of you, okay? And your higher self is going to help you to release some things, okay, that is not aligning with your highest good, okay? There, I feel like you have gone through a lot of sadness and heartbreaks and very toxic situation, Paltu, but you still try to be you still try to be your better version, okay? You still try to heal from that, or you are breaking away from generational curses or anything that is negative that is holding you back, and you know, very karmic patterns and things like that. You are a very spiritual developed person, okay, Paltu, even if you don't consider yourself, but you are doing a lot of things that is actually helping you to move into the higher state, okay, in terms of spirituality as well, okay? That's what I'm picking up of. And your higher self wants you to know that you are definitely going to find a lot more peace and lot more at ease with yourself, okay? Because you are definitely going to leave, so, and break free from lot of things that are not serving you anymore, okay? That's the energy I'm picking up on. Let's see what your higher self, what Padu's higher self wants them to know about now, like current situation. What is it? Seven of Wands. Okay, this one wants to find this one. You have the two of wands, nine of pentacles, seven of pentacles, queen of swords, page of swords. Okay, so what your higher self wants you to know. You may be going through something, some issues in your life right now with the five of pentacles here, and you are waiting for something to happen. Okay, the two of wands, two of pentacles. Okay, so what I'm feeling here, that your higher self wants you to know, pile two, that you are juggling into your making a progress in your material life and also in your spiritual life. Okay, that's what I'm seeing here. And you're the okay. So just because you are breaking free from, I don't know why I'm just keep hearing generational curses or the something about karmic patterns, okay? Your like your 3D life is also getting affected by that, okay? And maybe you are the like a black sheep of your family, and or you are the one who is trying to be different from the rest of your family or family line. You are trying to improve yourself. You don't want to live the life that um, like the others have lived so far, okay? You want to do something that is actually going to create your own identity, okay? And your higher self wants you to know that, okay, wait, you are progressing in that, okay? So you don't feel that you are not progressing anywhere or you are not doing anything. I'm just getting very specific message for someone, so take what resonates with you. There is some female figure or feminine energy I'm picking up on, and is not happy, okay? It so this feminine this feminine energy is very older, okay, than you. So but they are so childish, or this feminine has never healed her inner child, okay? So they're acting out of, you know, ego, or they are acting out of the place of ignorance, okay, towards you. And it's actually creating a lot of obstacles in your life, okay? So if you are asking what is the reason behind all these delays and all these things that making you feel like this ten of sword energy, backstab energy, so there is definitely someone who may try, who is not happy with your progress and may try to slow down your progress, okay? With the page of sword, wheel of fortune, and seven of cups energy, and two of pentacles, and hangman, okay? So you are definitely going to see their true face, okay? This is going to reveal to you, your higher self is going to he's telling you, okay, so those of you who is trying to make you feel this way, okay, ten of sword energy and five of pentacles energy, they are going to reveal it to you, because it's time that you should know the truth, okay, about these people. Or for some, I feel like you already know about this, about all this situation and about this feminine or about these people, and you are still going through some pain, okay, because of them, because you can't accept how can they do this to you, okay. You feel a sense of unfairness, and you feel like you have just treated them as your family or something, so you have give them the respect and the love that they deserve, but in the end what you get is the heartbreak and the backstabbing energy sabotaging you, okay. But your higher self wants you to know that you have to accept this, and you have to move on from this energy, because you can't stay in this energy, because it can be distracting you from what your main goal is, okay. That's what your higher self wants you to know right now. It's a general reading, so take what resonates with you, okay, as I always say. So how things will change for past year, artists, how things will change for past year. You have the world card, you have the knight of swords, you have the three of wands, you have the ten of wands, you have the six of wands, okay. So clarify the word. Yes. Oh, okay. Clarify the knight of sword energy. Okay. Someone also asked, okay. Clarify the three of wands. Clarify the ten of wands. And the three of cups, nine of cups, okay, and ten of cups, okay. Clarify any, so six of wands. If you are drawn to pile one, you can watch that reading, or you are coming from pile one, it's okay, you can watch that reading too. Okay, eight of wands. Oh, they just, okay, so this card wants to come out as well, okay. You have the king of pentacles, devil, three of pentacles. Why there are so many kings here? Okay, so with the world card, okay, what I'm seeing here, your higher self wants you to know that you are going to attract a lot of attraction towards you, okay. You are going to attract a lot of people, okay, potentially for romantic connections, okay. There may be individuals who may try to get your attention, or try to get you in a relationship, okay. That's what your higher self wants you to know, but you have to be careful who you choose, okay. That's also your higher self wants you to know. And it can be someone from your past, okay, also may try to make things right with you. That's the energy I'm picking up on here. And with the three of sword, ten of pentacles and sun card, with the king of sword energy, three of wands clarified with four of sword, four of sword, justice, and the judgment. Okay, you will be very busy, okay. Your higher self wants you to know, Paltu. So you have to make sure that you are taking only that much that you can process, okay. So don't overload with yourself with work or responsibilities that you can't handle. So only take how much you can handle, okay. You have to maintain the balance, okay, to give yourself time to rest and rejuvenate and balance in your life as well, okay. So you can't be overly focused on your work only, and you are not paying attention to other things, okay, other areas of your life, or there is, and you will be celebrating a lot of things, a lot of achievements with your friends and families. Okay, that's what I'm getting here with the Nine of Cups and Ten of Cups energy, that there is definitely some wishes are going to be fulfilled, and with the Ten of Cups energy you are going to be very happy. Okay, Ten of Cups and Sun card, definitely there is going to be very happy times are ahead for you. And the Six of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, even if you achieve the desired amount of a success, pile 2, there are going to be things that you can still achieve. Okay, so don't try to don't it's like your higher self wants you to know that there like you are the always that you have the attitude of always like completing or finishing the task with so much discipline, discipline and dedication. Okay, and the work ethic that you have, keep going with that. Okay, keep going with that flow, because you are going to attract a lot of good things for you. Okay, within the next few months, or within 6 months. Okay, with the Eight of Wands there is definitely going to be travel involved, so you will be traveling, okay, somewhere for the work. Okay, or you may find this new person that you are going to be in connection with while traveling, or this person live far away from you. Okay, but the main focus is right now that the you will be okay. Okay, so one specific message that I got here for you, the Ten of Pentacles and Three of Swords and the Sun card. Okay, so take what resonates with you, pile two. So if you are going to choose a wrong partner for you, okay, pile two, the financial success is there, but there is some sort of heartbreak. Okay, so be careful who you choose. Okay, it's not like you are going to get your heart broken. Okay, or as I already mentioned about the feminine energy that I was talking about, even if you like show that person like how good you are living your life, how you prove yourself right, like what things means most to you, and you are like proving your worth, this person is not going to appreciate. Okay, that's kind of energy I'm picking up on. Okay, if you are trying to impress, okay, what your higher self wants you to know, that don't try to impress people who rejected you in the past, who never saw your worth, or who never appreciated you as a person. Okay, because they will never going to change. That's the message your higher self wants you to know, so that you won't feel this Three of Sword energy. Okay, so try to be with people who really appreciate your worth, not because of your financial status, not because of your looks, or not because of anything, but you. Okay, it's like how do they see you as a person. Okay, if you they are respecting you, loving you for who you are, then those are the people who you should be with. Okay, that's the message your higher self wants you to know, because there are a lot of good things that are ahead of you. Okay, but so don't try to do something that is going to like not give you that. Don't try to do something that is going to lessen this happiness that is ahead of you. Okay, Patu. Okay, that's how your future higher self wants you to know. And with the justice here and the judgment, so definitely there is some sort of a justice that you are going to receive. Okay, pile 2, if you are being unfairly wronged by someone. Okay, and with the judgment card, and definitely you are all of your prayers are being heard by the universe. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know. Okay, and they are going to give you the chance that you deserve to prove yourself that who you truly are, and you are going to achieve that. Okay, you may be seeing a lot of 10-10. Okay, there is definitely going to be like a sense of a completion and sense of freedom and happiness that you are going to feel. Okay, and you are going to celebrate lot of good things and success of and the people that you consider as a family. Okay, and you are going to celebrate with them. their achievements and also your achievements. Okay, that's what I have for you, Palsu. I hope message is resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, love and peace. Hi, Padri. So you chose there's something better that then it's your reading. So look how carefully she is looking at your higher self. Achieve. Okay, your higher self wants you to know that you should pay attention to the guidance that you are getting right now. Okay, you are ignoring your inner voice. Okay, for some, and you are not okay. Either you are ignoring your inner voice, or you are not paying attention to your inner voice. You are ignoring the call, or you are not believing what you are getting as a guidance. Okay, inner guidance. Okay, and you are highly protected right now, by the way, Pathri. That's what your higher self wants you to know. Okay, and one more message I get for you, Pathri, that don't try to go back to your past. Okay, or the things that is not good for you, and you know that. Okay, because I feel like there is something that is luring you in, like it's kind of an illusion that it's not true. It's related to something that is really close to you. It can be from your past. Okay, so if that thing that already been not good for you, and you able to escape from that, if you are able to leave that situation or whatever that is, don't try to go back in. Okay, it's not good for you. That's what your higher self wants you to know. And don't try to ignore your inner voice, because your higher self is, there is something important that your higher self wants you to know. Let's see what is it. Okay, current situation, what Padri's higher self wants them to know. Okay, the Queen of Wands energy, Queen of Wands, I said Queen of Wands. Okay, Queen of Sword, and Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Two of Cups. So number 3 can be significant for someone here, and Eight of Swords at the back of the deck, right? Okay. As I just said, I just see 222. Okay, with the Seven of Swords energy, Queen of Pentacles, Hierophant, and the King of Pentacles, and the King of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Okay, if you can see that you have the Ten of Cups at the back of the deck, it's covered up with this Eight of Swords energy. 7 and Eight of Swords. Okay, there is, okay. Okay, so, your higher self wants you to know that your union with your destined partner is protected. Okay, no one can come between you and this person. If you are already in connection, or if you are already married to this person, your union is protected, even if someone may try to do something messy or here. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know. You don't have to worry about that. uh, I don't know why, but there is like a third person involved in your life. If you are in connection with someone, okay, that's what I'm seeing here with the Hierophant in the middle. So I'm just getting very like a strong earth sign here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the messages I'm getting, I'm just going to be very straightforward with this reading, okay? So take what resonates with you. If you don't like it, you can watch different vibe or different reading, okay? But I feel like there is someone who may try to um, um, try to manipulate your decisions right now with the King of Sword energy. This person is very logical. This person has like done their studies on you. Okay, I just feel like this person has been observing you and how you are going to react to certain things with the Eight of Sword energy. So this person may know that you are not confident enough, or there is some things that you are not good at, or there is something that is going to that is trying to make you feel that you are in a trap situation. It can be in a work as well. Okay, and they may try to act like they are the better option that what you currently have. Okay, if something is going good in your life, if you are in connection with your partner, or in your workplace, okay, they may try to offer you something, or someone is telling you that this your current job offer is not good, or maybe it's something about the financial, okay, financial investment. It's something about related to your money. Either it's related to your money, or either is related to a relationship. Okay, so someone is trying to lure you into giving you like a false hope, or trying to create an illusion that what you have is not good, but what that person has or to offer, or the what this person is telling you is far better than what you have. Okay, so it's this person may be from your past, or this something new. Okay, that's what I'm getting here with the three of pentacles here and the three of cups. Okay, this is someone you know. Okay, this is someone you know, or you work with. Okay, so you have to use your, like, you have to be very calculated with these things. Okay, even if it's a financial, or even if it's related to the relationship, because your higher self wants you to know that, you know, you have all the you should check all the facts and all the things before you make a move. Okay, and it doesn't have to be like what you have is not good. It doesn't have to be like, it doesn't have to be always that others have better things that you do. Okay, it can be only illusion that people are created, that their life is good, or what they have is good, better than you. It doesn't have to be like that always. Okay, you have to see through this illusion. That's what your higher self wants you to know. That is the key for your happiness here with the 10 of cups. Because I feel like what you have is really better than what what this person is, or what this offer is trying to tell you. Okay, so be use your intellect while dealing with these things. Okay, not don't let your fear to guide your next move. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know. That's why it's saying that your higher self wants you to know that you have to listen to your intuition, listen to your inner guidance. You are getting the answers of your questions that you have, or about this current situation, and then how 6 months things will change for you 6 months from now. Okay, what your higher self wants you to know by three. I feel like you are drawn to pile one. So this card wants to come out as well. Going to take it. The same message is repeating. Okay, pile for pile three. That's what I'm getting here. It just seems like, you are kind of a person, pile three. Your energy is very, you are a very high vibrational person. Okay, your energy is very addicting. Your very vibes are very pure, or maybe I just feel like you attract a lot of people around you. Okay, towards you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And mostly you attract people who are kind of jealous of you. Okay, you are, it's not like you are attracting only negative people or the things like that, but you attract like all types of people to you. Okay, your higher self wants you to know, pile 3, if you want to just don't want to feel this way anymore, the 10 of wands and the 10 of sword energy, because I feel like in your life you feel like there are a lot of responsibility, and also in your mind you feel like you are so drained and nothing is working out. If you want to end the situation, you have to embody your king of pentacles, king of sword energy, your higher self, is a very higher self has all the answers. Okay, your intuition has all the answers. Okay, the more you start to listen your inner guidance, the more the process will be smoother. Okay, the more that you are not going to attract things that is distracting you from things that truly matters to you. Okay, that's what your higher self wants you to know, because you have the page of sword energy. You may have this kind of energy around you. You come off as a very confident person. Okay, Patri, you are very confident, and you will be very confident if you're not feeling that way anymore. Okay, you will be feeling very confident. You will be feeling like you can take over anything that you want. Okay, you can get your things done. Okay, you have this like a goal achiever kind of ability. You will going to embody that. Okay, that kind of independence and freedom of thoughts and speech. Okay, and also money wise also, I'm just picking up on like there is like a raise or promotion is also waiting for you, or there is going to be a lot of progress in you going to happen for you. Okay, but you have to be you have to, so that's why you attract this kind of like people who are not confident in their abilities. So they may try to act like, okay, they may try to come to you for advice or for some help, but they in I don't know why I'm just getting that they are just taking they are here to take your energy or take advantage of you. Okay, so you have to be like very like you have to distinct between this people who are good for you or who doesn't have good interest for you. Okay, with the 7 of cups and 8 of wands energy, you may travel for work, or there is something about the traveling, or you are going to take taking action towards something. Okay, yeah, traveling is here for you. How will things change for past three within next 6 months? Now you have the Knight of Sword, King of Cups, three of wands, and 6 of wands, and the Sun card at the back of the deck. Very good. So you have all the swords energy here. So definitely someone is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So there is something very unique about you, Patri, that everyone gets attracted to you. Okay. And with the Knight of Swords, King of Cups energy, I'm just feeling like you are going to develop the sense of like ability to, you know, see through lies and see through deception and see through people's illusions, or how people truly are. Okay, with the King of Cups energy, emotional maturity is also here, with the 3 of wands and 6 of wands, or you are going to meet someone with these qualities as well. Okay, that's what I'm seeing with the 3 of wands energy. And you will be meeting this person where you are going to travel, or where you are going to move, or maybe when you get like a promotion, when you change department, when you do something that is going to change. Okay, so this like you will meet this person before after this change. Okay, with the Knight of Sword energy. So, and the 6 of wands is also giving me the vibe that you are going to be successful. Okay, there is a lot of victories are here for you. And with the 3 of wands energy here, it also talks about travel. I don't know why, but I'm just getting a lot of traveling energy for you. Okay, and also your higher self wants you to know that uh, uh, yeah, you have to be very careful with your energy, with your money, with your time. Okay, like who you share these gifts and your money and energy with. Otherwise everything is going to be great for you. Okay, you have all it takes to achieve your dreams. So that's what I have for you, Patri. I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 11. Peace.